Okay, so that did not go according to plan. I'm going to try to use the wind to my advantage here. I'm going to try and put some of these small sort of, I'm into a whole big area where everything is tight. Again, I know, Wally, I know. But this is actually where I was in the previous videos, not the one at the river. So I'm going to see if I can use the wind to my advantage, maybe try and get this to come. Try and put it straight down here, but it's bound up, you know, so if I get it to here, I'll be happy. Do you know what I mean? There's a big tree over there, so let's get it done. Let's cut some stuff. Yay, cutting stuff with chainsaws. Yay, rock. Yay, yay, thumbs up. Yay. Sit. No, sit. Look at me. Look at me. Stay. You're past it. Don't know if you can tell, but the wind is really jacked up. If in doubt, guys, get the bloody bar out. be? Still not going. Yeah. Just when you think it's okay. Just when you think it's doing okay. Guys, that did not go according to plan, but it is on the ground. I forgot to turn my head cam on as well. It is on the ground, guys, and the wind maybe not so much of a help as I thought it was going to be. Anyway, guys, listen, that's another one bites the dust. The wind is ripping from behind us. I don't know if you guys are aware. You can see that. See if I can get these up there somewhere. Of course, it's like as soon as you get the camera up, the wind stops, you know, so but listen, that is one down. What I think I need to do next is I need to move over and take, it's just the other side of that tree, you can't actually see it. Just in the middle there, there's one. It's got a bit of a bend on it. Hopefully I'll be able to get it to go the same way. But, well, not the same way. Hopefully it'll... So there I am away off talking to myself. Guys, hopefully I can get it to go where I want it to go. I also have, like... Yeah, there's a lot, you know, so... Anyway, listen. That'll do it for this one, guys. Let me know down below what you think of the saw. I might just take it in and see what he thinks. That means then I'm going to be using the 365 for stuff like this. And it is heavy for doing stuff like this, all you know, for like hours and hours at a time. It's okay for doing big firewood where it's just sitting and going, but lemon and stuff. Anyway, listen guys, thanks for watching. Stay frosty.